It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello, my joyful Sebbies. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have the privilege of being the guest host of this collaboration with my girls, Malinda with the Crafty Doll, as well as Donna, the Creole Crafter. Guys, I will let you know more about these beautiful ladies after we get done with DIY number 1. So in this first DIY, as you can see, I have this jar that I purchased from the Dollar Tree and some stickers from the Dollar Tree. And I am basically applying the stickers and Mod Podge onto the jar just to give it a little decorative appeal. And I think this turned out cute. However, I will encourage you to apply the stickers before applying the Mod Podge. That way the stickers will adhere to the jar better. So guys, I want to welcome everyone back to the channel, my new and returning subscribers. I pray that you had a blessed Easter and that your week so far has been blessed. I know it's only Wednesday, but hey, we have so much to be thankful for. And when I was considered to be the guest host for this collaboration, I knew that I was most definitely going to participate. I still have my mother, and my husband still has his mother here with us, and we want to always shower them as much as we can. So I was excited about coming up with these beautiful DIYs, and I hope that you all enjoy watching me as I put them together. And all you want to do is add you some rocks and the florals of your choice, as you can see that I've done here in this DIY. And I think this turned out cute. And now, of course, I am going to make me a jute twine bow. And I am burning the frays off of my twine. If you are a regular, you know that's something I do. So let's talk about this beauty here. This is Malinda. She has 2 channels here, the Crafty Doll, where she creates all of her DIYs and home decor and floral pieces. And then she styles them on her second channel, All Things Home on a Budget. Make sure you check Malinda out. Now we're into DIY number 2, and all I did was get a coffee mug from the Dollar Tree, and I got the one, to me these give you boho feel, which is a style that I actually like. And then I have some of these greenery. This is going to be a greenery planter. I know that my girl Malinda loves creating planters and using a lot of greenery in her home, and I think this would fit right into her style. So guys, this is very simple, very cost effective. All you've got to do, even if you want to use florals that has color, and just go and find you some that you like and just style it accordingly. And of course, I'm adding a jute twine bow. And now let's get into Donna, the Creole Crafter. Donna is amazing at so many things. Like I said in a previous video, I don't want to limit her to just rustic DIY and distressing. She's so much more. Check her out and let her know Joy said hello. And we're into the final DIY, and all I'm doing is just taking this bowl again that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I am applying some of that Waverly brand chalk paint to the outer and inner portion of this piece or this bowl. And I am wanting to give this like a faux wood look, and so I'm taking a baby white after drying the white paint, and then applying some of that antique wax with the baby wipe. And this acts as a stain, and it also gives this bowl an illusion of being a wooden bowl. I think this turned out cute. And then I'm just trying to see how I wanted this to look. I have some succulents. If you are a regular on my channel, you know I love working with succulents. And so I am just, you know, kind of piecing this planter together just to see what makes my eyes happy. And as I continued working with it, I wanted to give this some height. And so I was like, okay, well, I need to add a base to it. So I chose this little planters here, these little plastic planters that come 3 in a pack at the Dollar Tree. And I am just going to paint it using the Waverly brand chalk paint and the color white. And then I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the bowl. And then once I glued it down to make sure that it was secure, I added some of that jute rope that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree and just did 2 rows, or wrapped it around the base of the bowl where they meet, and just did 2 rows, making sure that it was glued tightly. And then I burned the phrase. Again, if you are a regular on my channel, you already know that I burn phrase off rope. I just do not like that look. And of course I'm going to add a bow to it. But guys, as you watch me do this, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. And also, don't forget to check out the hostess channel, the host being Donna, the Creole Crafter, as well as Malinda, the Crafty Doll. They are some talented women, and I am so glad and so thankful that we have connected. And guys, we are headed into the reveal. This is DIY number 1. I think this turned out super cute. You guys got to let me know what you think about this one. I think it's very different and a clever way to use the floral stickers. And I don't know what that was. I guess I was fixing something. And now we're headed into the reveal for DIY number 2. I of course added a bow in the center and all this greenery. I just love it. I think this is really cute, and I know my mom would love it because she loves greenery as well. And then here's my succulent planter with some different florals. I think this came together cute as well. Again guys, here they are styled together. It just looked like the Garden of Eden up in here. So guys, remember this is a part of the Mother's Day gift ideas on a budget collaboration with host Malinda and Donna with the Creole Crafter and the Crafty Doll. Make sure you are subscribed to their channels as well as mine. And until the next DIY, bye for now.